my channel Learn SAP with Prashant. Today we'll be learning about how to post stocks using standard SAP API. So for that, navigate the transaction code and then select the post method and enter the complete endpoint where API underscore till SRV. The highlighter is our API name and this is the entity set, and select HTTP and select post, and this is the body of the HTTP request where we will be entering the moment code 05 date material plant storage location etc. Once you enter, click on execute, so the material document will be created and you can check the material document using Migo. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.